Former First Lady Grace Mugabe did not attend her son Chatunga's court appearance in South Africa amid fears she could be arrested on an outstanding warrant linked to a 2017 assault case. Sadabina mashukubula nyukopango na chinzi. Grace Mugabe misses Chatunga's court case. Fears arrest. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mnamubula nyukomchinzi. Grace Mugabe is still wanted in connection with an incident in which she allegedly assaulted 20-year-old South African model Gabriela Angels with an extension cord at a Johannesburg hotel. The altercation reportedly followed the discovery of Angels in a room with her sons, Robert Jr. and Chatunga, although she was initially granted diplomatic immunity by then Minister of International Relations and Cooperation Maite Goana Mashawane. The decision was later ruled unlawful and unconstitutional by the High Court, leaving her exposed to possible arrest should she return to South Africa. Her absence loomed over proceedings at the Alexandra Magistrate Court, where her 28-year-old son, Chatunga Bellarmine Mugabe, and his bodyguard and relative, Tobias Matonoze Mugabe, appeared on Monday. The pair were remanded in custody until 3 March following their appearance on charges of attempted murder, defeating the ends of justice, and unlawful possession of a firearm. The charges stem from a shooting at a Hyde Park residence last week in which a 23-year-old employee was shot and left in critical condition. Gauteng Provincial Police spokesperson Colonel Dimakato Nevuhurwi confirmed that investigators recovered a cartridge at the scene. However, despite searches by Kenyan units forensic teams, the firearm allegedly used in the shooting was not being found. The missing weapon is central to the state's case and underpins the charge of defeating the ends of justice. Doma developments aripo panawo awa yachatunga Mugabe tiona kuti awa yemother Grace Mugabe ari kuchika kupinda and atombopindi jaspoza kuti upon stepping grounds in South Africa anobva atongoiswa njema zvake. Pera comment section vedu zofuro aim to leave on super chit coach. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.